guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to skip the trash and delete files immediately on your MacBook. So for this guys, I'm going to show you two methods to delete your files immediately. So first method is this guys. Just you need to select your file like this. After selecting, in the toolbar menu you can get file option. Just click on it, and here after opening the file option, hold option button from your keyboard. Now you will get the option delete immediately. If you want to delete the file immediately without moving to recycle bin trash folder, just we need to select this option. So this is the first method. So next method is this guys. Now you can use the shortcut key to delete the file immediately. The shortcut key is this guys. Select your file like this and press and hold option key button and command key button at a time, and then press delete from your keyboard. It will delete your file immediately without moving to trash folder, as you can see guys. Okay, so these are the two methods to skip the trash folder to delete your files immediately on your MacBook. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.